Blindfold. This is a type of game. So blindfold any one child in the group. One by one the other children come to him or her quietly. The child who is blindfolded has to guess who the other child is by touching him or her. Take care not to make any sound. Do you know why? In the same way, one by one blindfold all the other children. Each one has to try and guess by touching who the other children are. So some questions are here. Discuss and tell. How many children could recognize the other by touching? So you can say only 1 or 2 person you can recognize by touching. How many children could recognize the other children by only hearing them? So you can say that you can recognize all your friends and even many other children by hearing their sound. Which was easier of the two? So you can say that it was easier to recognize a person by hearing than touching. How many things can you recognize by only touching? So you can say that we can recognize clothes, glass, flowers, clay, etc. by touching. There is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see. It is called Braille. It is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised points or dots with the pointed tools. Braille is read by running the fingers on the raised dots. Let us learn about Braille. You have seen that Ravi Bhaiya reads special types of books. How were these books made? Who first thought of these books? Let us find out about it. Are you watching this? This is called a Braille script. The blind person recognizes the alphabets by touching their fingers, by running their fingers on these dots. So are you watching that there is one dot only on this row? This is called A. The two dots in the left row is called B. The two dots on the upper side of the row is called C. The three dots like this is called D, and the two dots like this is called C. So did you watch that? There are only 6 points and different types of dot are made on the points that is used as the alphabet. Different types of different alphabets. Louis Braille belonged to France. One day when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tool. Suddenly, a pointed tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyesight. He had keen interest in studies. He did not give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he found a way reading by touching and feeling. This way of reading later came to be known as the Braille script. In this type of a script, a row is raised. Dots are made on a thick paper. Because these dots are raised, they can be read by running the fingers on them. This script is based on 6 points. The Braille script is undergone many changes these days. This has made reading and writing simpler. Braille can now also be written using the computer. So dear students, in this chapter we came to know that a blind person who cannot see, that can also get the knowledge of reading and writing. They can also read the book like us, only the method of their reading is different. The people who cannot see, they read the book that is called the Braille script. It is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised points with a pointed tool. Braille is read by running the fingers on the raised dots, and they recognize which word is written. So hope you must get knowledge. You must have get knowledge of a blind person, how they can read and write. So listen the explanation properly and try to understand. Good day.